Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Have you ever been stressed out or overwhelmed and someone tells you, just breathe? Well, how well does that work? It's really hard to catch your breath and take nice, calming, soothing breaths when someone is telling you that that's what you need to do. And that's why I really like having this Shift necklace by Komuso. It's a nice, gentle, physical reminder to take calming, slow breaths. This necklace is beautiful and it's also very discreet. It looks just like a necklace that I would wear to the office or going out, but it helps to calm me down. And no one else has to know what it is. You simply inhale through your nose and do a long exhale through your mouth. It doesn't whistle and it's not loud, so maybe you're taking a test or you're sitting in traffic or perhaps watching a work presentation and the anxiety is starting to build up. This is all you need to do. We've really enjoyed having this in our lives as a family, helping us remember to calm down, remember to breathe, training our brains, and I think it's so thoughtfully designed, being so discreet. Because who wants to draw more attention to themselves when they're stressed out? And that's my point of view.